require more extensions, then you can easily append it to this line before the dash y. Or I can basically just do this. Let me add dash y to install. So let me just add dash y. Then if you want to add a different PHP extension to add to install, then let me see the PHP extension you can install. So let's say soap. Even though I don't think soap is needed in this case, but I'll just install it just to show you how to add new extensions that you wish to install as well. So I'm just going to hit the enter button, then it's going to run the installation. So this is going to take some time as well. So I'll just give it some time to run as well. Okay, so we are done installing the modules, and we are also done installing extensions. So what I'm going to do now is go right ahead into installing Composer itself, since Composer is required for Laravel to work. So I'm going to paste the command there. I'm going to hit the enter button, and that will install the Composer. So Composer has been installed and configured, so it's ready to use when we get started. So in this case now, we are going to enable PHP FPM, we are going to enable the Apache module write module, we are going to enable the Apache Proxy FCGI module and the set env module. So this command is going to do that, this particular command. Okay, so at least from what it says. So you can see it gives some recommendations there after they have been enabled that we need to reload Apache in some cases, and in some cases we need to restart Apache. But at the end of everything, I'm going to restart Apache just to make sure everything is good and ready to go. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to set up the user we are going to use for this. Well, while we are doing this, I think I would like to enable the Apache SSL module in this case, and also enable what's it called? Enable the default SSL site for that came with Apache. So I'm just going to run this command real quick, and I think we are good and done with that. So SSL is enabled on Apache now, and we have the Proxy FCGI module, which enables PHP FPM to work without issues. They are both enabled in this case. So we'll move right to the next option, which is configuring the user where that will host our web content. On the normals, I would have used /var/www/html, which is the default root directory for Apache. So when we check this now, let's say just a second while I switch between screens. So when we when we check the IP address, now we should see that it should load the default Apache page. So you notice that Apache is installed and working fine. So the rest of the thing that we just need to do now is to configure our website and make sure it works properly. So I'll get right to that right now. So let me switch back my screen to my terminal. Okay. So to add a user, you need user add. User add, let's say my web. Let's just assume we're adding this, then I specify, well, if you don't specify home directory for it, then it automatically use the default home directory. But in this case, I would like to specify home directory for the user. If you are not sure about it, you can easily man user add. So if you do this, then you grab for home directory. So I know slash install the output. So let's see. Okay, so when you are creating user, when you use /-m, it creates the user directly does not exist. The file defined with blah, blah, blah. Okay. So it's just giving me an idea. Okay, so in the case where you're using dash D, it doesn't necessarily create the home directory. You have to manually create that. But in this case, I'll use the dash M so that it creates the home directory. So I'll do user add my web, then dash M slash home slash web slash my website. So I do that. Oh, I think there's a oh, I think let me try this. Ah, that's weird. It's going to work. So in that case, I'll just create the user in that case. I'll manually create the web directory where required. So user had this. So let me see if it created the user directory. So normally the user directory should be created under slash home. So since it's not created, I will just create it manually. So I'll create slash home slash web. Then after doing that, I'll make sure I change the ownership of that file um, to my web so that I have access to it. And the reason I'm doing this actually is to make sure this is already sorted out by the time I am setting up the FTP server, so we don't have to come all this other. So I changed that. So if you check ls-home, you should see the directory created, and you can see it is owned correctly by that particular user. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to well, we could create the configurations first. We could test out some files first, but in this case, I would like to go ahead with the rest of the configuration, then we bother about the files later. So let's jump right to that. So to do that, I'll go into the Apache configuration directory, which is etc/apache sites. So here you will see the default sites. So if you check out this particular file, you notice that this is the Apache configuration file. What's good for the default site that was for the default site that we saw the other time. So I'm going to custom the custom configuration file. So let's say vi laravel.com. So I'm going to paste some config inside this line that I need to use. Okay, so I'll be pasting the Apache conf right now. So I press the I to insert. Well, it might be easier for you to use Nano since that is more user friendly. So let me try using that. So there are no a number of text editor depending on whichever one works for you. So for Nano, when you are done editing whatever the file, you can press the Control X button and it will ask you what. So let's assume I added something here now and I do Control X. It will ask you if you want to save, then I press Y. Then it's telling me to confirm the name of the file, then I just press enter to return the current name of the file. So that's just to show you how to use manual, but I'm much more comfortable with VI, so I will continue using VI in this particular case. So I remove this, then I paste, okay, I insert, then I paste Apache configuration. So I have a subdomain that we're going to use for this scenario. So